What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Ransom unboxing. This actually is my very first Ransom unboxing on the channel. I did get the Half Evil Ransom collab, but that doesn't really count. So this is just going to be the Ransom drop that just happened about 2 or 3 maybe weeks ago. I did get my package in the mail yesterday, so I'm doing the unboxing today. Shipping took a little while, but I think it's because they do kind of what Half Evil does, where they're not all the time pre-made items, but I'm not too sure on that. Enough talking, let's get right into it. So I did just pick up one thing. They dropped a collection of things. They have the they had like the shirt, the hoodie, they had a skateboard. I did try getting the skateboard, but the skateboard went pretty quick, or I was just having some issues with checkout. I don't really know what happened to me there, so I was not able to get the skateboard. Obviously by the size of this you could see that. We did get a t-shirt, and this will be my first Ransom t-shirt, so I am hyped to see this in person. Oh, we actually got stickers. Did not know stickers were coming with it. You guys know me, I love the stickers. We got nothing else in there, so we got this sticker right here. It's this little die cut with the Ransom logo that is gonna match the shirt that you will see in a second. We did get the Ransom little invoice thing, and I got this shirt for $20.50 shipped. And lastly, we got the shirt right here. This thing is sick. This is looking super clean. It says Ransom with like all these letters from logos that they took. It does have its own Ransom tag on the inside. It does say size large. I believe they print on Gildan or maybe Anvil, but I'm not entirely sure, so I went with the size large on that. Then when you flip it around, you got basically the same logo, except it's kind of like this 3-3, so it's like huge on the back. I do really like this. The shirt is actually looking huge. Maybe, yeah, this, I think these are Anvils, but I'm not entirely sure, but it's looking huge. I still think it's going to fit me pretty well. I am super hyped to finally add something Ransom into the collection. I have been on the hunt for the Ransom, what's his name? Can't think of his name right now, but it's the little devil thing. Been on the hunt for that, so if you are selling, leave that in the comments down below and message me. So one last time, we do got the shirt right here in the white colorway. It only came in white. Got the logo on the back. Flip and dip, and you got the logo as well on the back. This thing is sick. They really outdid themselves on this one. I think this was kind of like a random drop, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe they were hyping it up, I don't know. But for $20, you really can't complain. It's looking nice. I don't know if it's screen printed or what. Probably is. It kind of feels like it. But for $20, like I said, this was a dub. So that is going to do it for this video. Like I said, it was a super quick Ransom unboxing. I only got one item, so there's not really too much more to say about it. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe. If you haven't already, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Make sure you hit that like, drop a comment down below. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. I'm out.